Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve CAT 2017 question paper slot 2. In our last videos we have solved questions up till 96. So now we are going to start with question number 98. So question 98 says if function of AB is equal to function of A into function of B for all positive integers A and B, then the largest possible value of function of 1 is. So here we have been given a condition which is function of AB is equal to function of A into function of B. So we need to find the value of function of 1. So this can be done as function of 1 can be written as function of 1 into 1, which is 1 into 1 is always 1, where our A is assumed to be 1 and B is assumed to be another 1. So this can be written as function of 1 into function of 1. So from here we can say that we will assume our function of 1 to be a integer, a constant value, because like this we can't solve our equation. So let function of 1 be equal to, so let us assume this to be x. So function of 1 has been assumed to be x. So now let's put the value here. We have function of 1 into 1 is function of 1. This is function of 1 into again a function of 1. So this can also be written as x equal to x into x is x square. So now we can solve this quadratic equation, which is x square minus x is equal to 0. We can take x common as we solve our quadratic equation normally. So this is equal to either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So what we needed is the largest possible value of f of 1. So for f of 1 has values 0 or 1. So the largest possible value of f of 1 will be equal to 1. So option number C matches with our answer. Hence option C is the correct answer to this question. So let's move on to our next question, that is question number 98. So question 98 says function of fx is equal to 2x minus 5 and function of gx is equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay, so here we have been given two different functions. First one is fx, which is 2x minus 5, and the second one given is gx, which is 7 minus 2x. And now we have been given an equation. Let's check what is this. Then mod of fx plus gx is equal to mod of fx plus mod of gx if and only if. So here we have been given four ranges of x and we need to find which range stands true for this equation to be equal to. So let's write our equation here. F of x plus g of x in mods. Okay, so x is not in mod, the whole equation is in mod. So here we have mod equal to mod of fx plus mod of gx. So simply here we have the fx and gx, so we can put the values here, that is 2x minus 5 and 7 minus 2x. So let's put the values. 2x minus 5 plus gx, that is 7 minus 2x, and right hand side we cannot do anything because we have mod different, so no point of putting the values of fx and gx. So let this be fx and gx only. So solving this, 2x gets cancelled out. 7 minus 5 gives us 2 and it is positive 2. So we don't need the mod anymore. So this is 2 is equal to f of x plus g of x. So g of not mod x, whole mod gx. So all we need to do first is we need to find the possible ranges of x. We will have to find the possible range of x, and our values of x are 2x minus 5 equal to, we will equate both the functions with 0. So this is 2x minus 5 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 5 by 2. So this is a midpoint. We will find another midpoint from this one equal to 0. 2x equal to 7, therefore x equal to 7 by 2. So these are two points from where the values of x can deviate. So let's write the ranges here. So the possible range of x, here we have three possible ranges of x. One is from minus infinity to 5 by 2, which is included. Then we have from 5 by 2 to 7 by 2, and then we have from 7 by 2 till infinity. So these are three possible ranges of x. Now we need to find which one is true So this can be done. We need to consider a value out of these three ranges and put that value in this equation and check which of the value satisfies this equation. So first let us find a value from minus infinity to plus 5 by 2. So the most suitable number from minus infinity to 5 by 2 is 0, which lies between this range. So let's put 0 here. So this will be 2 is equal to mod f of 0 plus mod g of 0. So we need to put 0 here and here in places of x. So this will give us 2 is equal to mod, here 2 into 0 will give 0, minus 5. So minus 5 plus in here g 0, which is 7 minus 0, which is 7. So this will give us 2 equal to mod of minus 5 will give 5 plus 7, which is 12. So 2 is equal to 12, which is never possible. Hence this is wrong. Therefore our first range is not possible. So let's move on to our second range, which is from 5 by 2 to 7 by 2. So we can assume a number between 5 by 2 and 7 by 2, which is 6 by 2. So we are assuming our number to be 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So we will put this value in that equation where we had 2 equal to mod of fx, where x we have assumed to be 3. So this will be 3 plus mod of g3. So let's solve this. 2 is equal to function fx was 2x minus 3. So we'll multiply x. So let me write this. 2 into 3 minus 5 plus function gx was 7 minus 2x. So 7 minus 2 into 3. So this will give 2 equal to, here we have 6 minus 5 plus here we have 7 minus 6. So I think this will satisfy. So here we have 1 and here we have 1. So as you can see, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this equation is completely satisfied. Hence our this value is a possible value of x. So from this we can say that this is a possible range of x. So our answer will be from 5 by 2 till 7 by 2. So this is the range of x. Now let's check the options. So 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. So option number D matches with our answer. Hence option D is the correct answer to this question. So I will like to end this video here. You will find solutions to the further questions in our next video.